The stabilizer links of a vehicle are a regular wear and tear item that need to be replaced from time to time. Fortunately, this is a DIY-friendly repair that does not need a mechanic. Let me show you how to do it with basic tools yourself. Now, let's get to it. For this DIY job, you will need replacement stabilizer links. I suggest you get OEM grade links or good aftermarket units. Of course, you will also need a ratchet and a socket set. Beyond that, you probably have everything else in the vehicle already. Firmly engage the parking brake and choke the opposite farthest wheel with standard wheel chocks. If you don't have wheel chocks, use stones, wood, or anything you have to keep the wheels you won't be raising from moving. Done with that, slack the wheel lugs out, jack the vehicle up, and remove the wheel where you wish to start. For this job, it is not necessary to use jack stands. Simply handle one wheel at a time. With the wheel off, power lubricating fluid to the links holding bolts, if you have any around. If you don't, simply begin the process of bolt removal using your ratchet and socket combination. Sometimes the bolts are rusted in place, like it's the case with my daily driver here. In such an instance, simply fire it off to give way for the new one. Some persons have reported using hard saws or other power tools to simply saw it off. In my world, that is a tedious method not recommended for a DIY project. Before mounting the new links, be sure to apply some quantity of grease or anti-seize to the threads to avoid getting them stuck or rusted in place like was the case here. Some persons recommend against this, but I find it to be extremely helpful, especially when it is time for removal. The only time I did not get some sort of lubrication to the threads before installation is a change before now, and you already know how that went. All you need is a little dab around. Do not go overboard with the application to avoid the bolts working their way out. Done with the greasing, install the new links starting with the top end first. This is very important, as you will see soon. With the top end securely in place, use the outer tie rod as a fulcrum for the installation of the lower end. The old links can be used as a lever here. Be careful not to damage any bolts while at it. This is probably the most challenging part of the installation for the DIY or home mechanic, but once you understand that your arm strength alone cannot do it and instead you rely on good old physics, you will be good. With the link ends in their place, tuck both ends nice and snug. It is very important to note here too that there should be no play between the threads of the new link and the strut where they attach. Any play here will strip their threads in no time, and the new links will begin making a funny metal or metal sound that also double as being very annoying. Done with the link installation, it is also good practice to check out on your brake pads and calipers to see how they are doing since you are already in their vicinity. Everything else from this point is a revise of disassembly. Good luck with your project. See you on the next one.